Hello friends, welcome to App School. My name is Steve, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Node version manager for Debian Linux. We're going to start by opening up a browser and just doing a quick Google search for the Node version manager. Top results a GitHub page, and that is the home page for the Node version manager. Node version manager will allow you to install multiple versions of Node.js alongside each other in your local user space. So that if you need to use different versions for different software stacks, or if you have a project that you want to run that was written for an older version of Node, you can just use that version directly in your user space without needing sudo privileges to install a new version to override the existing global version or anything like that. So it's very convenient for development purposes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the documentation here. We can see there's a table of contents. It's going to tell us about an intro, about the project, and then here's something for installing and updating. Let's click that. And that's going to bring us to this part here where they have an install script, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab that real quick. Let's head over to our command line. And we're just going to copy and paste this directly into the command line and hit return. It's going to run the installation script. If you want to check the source before you execute this, just take a look at the file that it's curling, and you'll see that it's a basic installation script for the Node version manager. I'll give this a moment to download and install. And it's saying that I already have it installed, which is true. It's not lying. But this is the process of how to install it. So I'm going to check to see, alright, if it's installed, can I run the program? And it looks like I can. Here's the output from the help for the Node version manager program. It'll tell me the nvm command is the command I run. It'll tell me which version of nvm I'm using, and it'll also tell me about all the different options that are available. I can read this help file. I can see which version of nvm is installed just by running that, and I can install a specific version of Node.js. Download and install a version, uses nvmrc if available, which is a topic we can cover later, but it looks like it also has a convenient LTS flag here. So if you wanted to install the long-term supported version of some version of Node.js, that would be handy. And let's go ahead and install the latest long-term support version using this handy shortcut here, nvm install --lts. And you'll see that it'll identify that LTS is the current LTS version. It's already installed, and if I print the Node version here, it'll tell me, hey, this is the version you're using. So let's go see what other versions are available. We'll use the ls remote command, and we can see that we already have version 18 also installed. So let's switch to that version, and it's as easy as running nvm use in the version that you want to use. If you now type node -- version, you'll see that it's version 18. And let's switch back to the default. And that's kind of interesting. I didn't realize that I had 18 set as my default, so I'd actually like to switch back to version 20. So I can just go ahead and paste that version in there and hit enter, and now I'm back on using 20 again. And let's say I want 20 to be my default. Well, I can alias default to that version, and now my default is also version 20. If I ever want to switch directly to default, I can run nvm use default, and I can verify now that the Node version that I have is Node version 20. So that was it. Now that you have Node.js installed via the Node version manager, you can switch versions between various different versions of Node.js. If you need to use an older version for an older project, it's just as easy as downloading and installing that version and then switching to it. If you need to install the latest bleeding edge version of Node.js, that's always an option as well. You can use the non-long-term supported version. And that's it. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for being here at the first episode of App School. Again, my name is Steve. Please remember to click that like button and the subscribe button. If you would like to see more content like this, we're going to be releasing a lot more of this type of content in the future. The goal here is to go subject by subject, small topic at a time. Let's teach the art of software engineering to the YouTube community. Hop in the comments, let me know what you think, and thank you again so much for watching. Have a great day.